In front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down right away to tap on this section called About Tablet. Now click on device name. And last but not least, type in whatever you want to. Then select Save. As you can see, after a few seconds, name of my Nubia has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!